Hello everyone. Today let us understand what are factors of a number. Factors are the numbers that are multiplied to get a given number. So basically, if we have a given number, what numbers can we multiply to get that particular number are called as factors. For example, if we take say number 15. Now, how do we get 15? I can say 1 times 15 is 15. I can also say 3 times 5 is 15. And rest, it does not come in the table of any other number. Hence, these are the only ways that we can find 15. Now, over here, numbers 1, 3, 5, and 15, they are all factors of the given number. Now, let us understand this particular concept with more examples. Now, over here, I have taken a few numbers and let us find their factors. So, when we take 12, now 12 can be found by 3 times 4 and 4 is 2 times 2. Hence, the factors of 12 are 1, we have to take number 1, and 3, 4, 2, and 12. Now, let us take 16. 16 is 4 times 4, and 4 can be 2 and 2, and 4 can multiply by 2 and 2. So, the factors of 16 are 1, we have to take 2, 4, and 16. Now, let us take 18. Now, factors of 18, 18 can be found by 2 times 9 and 9 by 3 times 3. So, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 9, and 18. Now, 24. 24 is 2 times 12 and 12 is 2 times 6. Further, 6 can be 2 times 3. So, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 12, and 24. Now, this method of finding factors is called as factor tree method. We can also find factors by just write down the number of ways in which we find the multiplication of, by multiplying the numbers to get a given number and then find factors through it. Now, I hope the concept of factors is clear and how we find factors using factor tree and normal multiplication method is also clear. Thank you.